If you like Minecraft, like the video. If you like llamas, like the video. Anyway, today I'll be showing you the 3 best PC cases under $50. So if you're a Minecrafter, leave a like, get subscribed, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new uploads.
Yeah, boy!
So I chose cases not by popularity or the Amazon choice crap, but by good reviews, or like if the case has good upgrade paths for water cooling or graphics cards. You know what I mean. So, coming in at number 3, we have the Corsair Cardboard 100R. Right off the bat, the case looks great with its brushed aluminum look with a side panel window that's very big. It has a toolless hard drive and expansion space system, it has holes for routing cables, a bottom mounted power supply, and it's mid-tower, so it supports up to an ATX motherboard. Overall, pretty nice case for only $50. Okay guys, so case number 2 is a Masterbox Lite 5. It is another mid-tower, so it will support up to an ATX motherboard. Now you guys know Cooler Master. The case has customizable trim colors, so you can swap them for white, black, or red. So that's nice to have. This case also has a bottom-mounted power supply with a shroud. Very nice. Again, holes for cable routing, but no rubber grommets. It has an acrylic side panel window and dark mirror front panel. Overall, for only about $46.99, this is a really great case. Alright, so last but not least, we have the Cougar MG110 mini tower case. It has a nice overall design, radiator support up to what I believe is 120mm, removable hard drive bays and expansion slots, and plenty of space to route cables. Now, for only $34.99 on Newegg, this is an amazing deal. Well guys, those are the cases. If you want to buy one of them, then I'll link all of them in the description below. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and enable notifications. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you know where to go. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.